Opening a durian is a simple and easy process. You will need a cleaver and a piece of cloth. First, you need to cut off the branch from the top of the durian. Try to use a stronger knife such as a cleaver so you have a better strength when opening a durian. Next, you need to flip to the bottom of the durian. You should see a few lines on the durian. So if the durian is really ripe, you can put your cleaver on the line and you can peel the durian over with a bit of strength. Try sticking with the same line that you have opened so you can use the strength on the part of the durian to open it. Once you have the grip on the durian, use your cleaver to push the durian over until you have a fine opening. Then you can use your hand to open up the durian. The process should be simple and quick once you have the grip on the opening of the durian. You can then slowly open the grip. Be careful not to drop your durian. And there you go. Here's another example on how to open a durian. So you should be looking for lines on the bottom of the durian. If the durian is ripe, the bottom lines should be gapping a little. You can put your cleaver on this line to open up the bottom of the durian. Use a bit of strength to slowly gap up the line of this durian. Once you have a place to grip your hand, you can use both of your hands to pull the durian over. You can pull over easily on a ripe durian. So be careful when you open the durian so the durian will not drop. You can now enjoy your durian. Thank you and have a nice day.